Today, we're unboxing the latest NVIDIA RTX 4080 graphics card. Let's dive right in and see what comes in the box. As we open it, the first thing we notice is the impressive build quality and design. The sleek, modern look of the RTX 4080 is definitely a head-turner. It comes with all the necessary cables and a quick start guide. Now, let's take a closer look at the design, ports, and build quality. The RTX 4080 features a robust cooling system with enhanced efficiency, ensuring your card stays cool even under heavy loads. It has multiple HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, providing great flexibility for multi-monitor setups. Next, we put the RTX 4080 to the test with some of the latest games and rendering software. In our benchmarks, the RTX 4080 showed exceptional performance, handling even the most demanding games at ultra settings with ease. In rendering tasks, it significantly reduced the time required, thanks to its new architecture and technological advancements. How does the RTX 4080 stack up against its predecessors? We compared it with the RTX 3080 and the RTX 4080 Ti. The RTX 4080 offers a noticeable improvement in performance and cooling efficiency. Additionally, it provides a better price-to-performance ratio, making it a solid choice for both gamers and creators. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns from our viewers. Many of you asked about compatibility and future-proofing. The RTX 4080 is designed to be highly compatible with existing systems, and its advanced features ensure it will remain a top performer for years to come.